Hello students, welcome to Well Explained PDF. Today I am here with Class 7 Science Chapter 2 Nutrition in Animals. Students, as it is a lengthy chapter, so I have divided it into two parts. In this part we are going to study about nutrition in amoeba and hydra and ruminants. Okay. Now students, what is nutrition? As the chapter is about nutrition in animals, first of all we should know the meaning of this term nutrition. And this nutrition you have studied in first chapter also, nutrition in plants. Nutrition is the process by which living organisms they obtain nutrients for their growth and development. Okay, the process by which living organisms obtain nutrients for their growth and development is known as nutrition. Now, what are nutrients? I think you must have studied in your previous classes. There are five essential nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, roughage and water. You can see in this so many fruits and vegetables are there which are very healthy. They give you all the nutrients which you need for your growth. You must eat healthy food. Now, why do animals need food? Animals need food for their growth and survival. Okay? एनिमल्स को ग्रो करना है तो उसके लिए भी फूड चाहिए और जिंदा रहने के लिए भी चाहिए. साथ ही साथ फूड और क्या करता है? फूड गिव्स अस एनर्जी टू डू आवर वर्क. वर्क हमारे एक्सटर्नल वर्क जो हम अपने हाथ पांव से करते हैं, वर्क हमारी बॉडी के इंटरनल भी चलते हैं, जैसे डाइजेशन, रेस्पिरेशन, सर्कुलेशन, एक्सक्रीशन. तो जितना हमारे बॉडी इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स काम करते हैं उस सब के लिए भी एनर्जी की जरूरत होती है. और फूड इसलिए भी जरूरी है कि जो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर फेयर एंड टेयर चल रहा है ऑफ टिश्यूज, so they may get repaired on their own. Food is very necessary for us. But the food that animals eat, the food that animals eat means we people eat and all the animals eat, is actually in complex form that cannot be used by their body to get energy. इतना कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म में होता है कि वो बॉडी डायरेक्ट नहीं यूज कर सकती है उसे टू गेट एनर्जी. Thus, it has to be broken down into simpler substances so that the body can absorb the nutrients in it. Also, whatever food we eat, not all the food that we eat is digested and absorbed. Some part of it is excreted from the body as waste. तो जितना खाना हम खाते हैं सारा ही डाइजेस्ट होके एब्जॉर्ब नहीं हो जाता है. कुछ पार्ट उसका ऐसा होता है जो ऐसे ही रह जाता है. It is not digested and absorbed by our body. It is excreted from the body as waste. So what is nutrition? It is the process of or eating or taking nourishment. And you can see these are the some sources of nutrition. Food includes all the eatables that can be utilized by the body for nourishment. जितना चीजें हम खाते हैं, खाने वाली जितनी चीजें होती हैं, they all are included under food. Now this we have studied in first chapter, mode of intake of food. Autotrophic mode, it is shown by green plants, and heterotrophic mode, mostly non-green plants and animals. This is parasitic mode in which the organism it lives on a host and takes its nutrients from that. You can see the tapeworm and this is roundworm, okay, and saprophytic as in the Indian pipe. Now coming to nutrition in amoeba. First of all, we will discuss about the nutrition in simple animals. So coming to nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is actually a unicellular organism. Unicellular means it is made up of only one cell and that single cell performs all the body functions of the amoeba. Amoeba feeds on some microscopic organisms. Okay. Amoeba lives in water. और बहुत ही microscopic because it is unicellular, it itself is a microscopic organism and it feeds also on microorganisms. Okay, when it senses food, it pushes out its pseudopodia around the food particle. You can see These are the pseudopodia. Pseudo means false, podia means feet. जैसे ही इसके हाथ पांव नहीं होते हैं, शेप इज इरेगुलर, सेल है इरेगुलर शेप का होता है, जैसे ही इसको फूड सेंस होता है, यू कैन सी दिस इज द फूड, इट पुशेस इट्स pseudopodia. Pseudopodia क्या करता है, इस फूड को एनक्लोज कर लेता है, and it forms a vacuole where digestive juices are secreted to absorb all the nutrients from the food. और इसके बाद ये वैक्यूल बना लेता है, उस वैक्यूल में फिर डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस सिक्रेट होते हैं फ्रॉम itself and it absorbs all the nutrients from the food and then it moves ahead. Means इसका खाना हो गया और उसके बाद वो आगे बढ़ जाता है. You can see nutrition in amoeba. This is amoeba. These two, this is the food vacuole. You can see, yes, it's getting digested. Okay, these are pseudopodia. These two, these are pseudopodia, and this is the food vacuole. ये बन गया. अब यहाँ पे digestive juices will digest this food. Okay. Now coming to Hydra. Hydra is also simple organism, but it is multicellular. Multicellular means it is made up of more than one cell or many cells. Tentacles around its mouth are present for the ingestion of food, which pushes the insect into the mouth. You can see these are tentacles and this is its mouth. Okay, तो ये tentacles की help से क्या होता है, ये insects को अपने mouth में की तरफ push करता है. In the body cavity, digestive juices are secreted to digest the food, then absorbed and assimilated in the cell. You can see this Hydra. This is the mouth. These all are tentacles. They help in the engulfing of the food. And this is gastrodermis. This is the prey. And digestive juices are secreted and this gets digested. Okay. Now coming to ruminants. What are ruminants? The animals that digest their food by the process of rumination are called as ruminants. Examples are cow and goat. And mostly all the herbivores are ruminants. Okay. Now the ruminants have an outstanding feature as a part of their digestion process. They don't have to digest everything they eat immediately. इनके पास एक outstanding feature होता है in their digestion process कि वो जो भी कुछ खाते हैं उसको फौरन ही digest नहीं करते हैं. Okay. What do? They don't eat the food immediately. They just swallow it and store it in the rumen. Rumen is a part of stomach of ruminants. The stomach of ruminants is four-chambered and one is this is the part of stomach. ये लोग क्या करते हैं, जैसे ही इनको फूड मिलता है तो उसको ईट मीन्स खाते नहीं है, चबाते नहीं है, उसको स्वैलो करते चले जाते हैं और स्टोर कर लेते हैं. विच पार्ट? rumen. Okay. In the rumen, the food becomes curd. Partially digested food is known as curd. Later, when the ruminant is idle means free, खाली बैठा है, तो क्या करता है? It brings back its food, that is the curd, into its mouth in small lumps, and the animal chews it. और उसके बाद बैठ के वो फुर्सत से उसको chew करता है. This process is called rumination. Now you can understand why these animals are referred to as ruminants. Okay. Now you can see these four chambers of the stomach of ruminants. First part is rumen. Second is reticulum, then omasum and abomasum. Okay. Now that's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching. Have a healthy day ahead. I'll be soon with the part 2. God bless you all.